The Ovation IX aortic body stent graft delivery system is inserted into the vasculature over a guide wire. Using fluoroscopic guidance, the delivery system is advanced, placing the stent material about 1 cm proximal to the intended landing site. The aortic body is oriented mediolaterally to align delivery system markers on either side of the guide wire. Place the long delivery system marker towards the patient's ipsilateral side. The delivery system outer sheath is fully retracted while holding the handle stationary to uncover the graft. The proximal stent is partially deployed by turning and pulling the first stent release knob on the handle. Using fluoro, the C-arm is oriented to align the 8 markers at the top of the graft to achieve an orthogonal view. A contrast injection is used to locate the renal arteries and ensure precise positioning of the graft at the intended landing site. The angiocatheter is then retracted. The proximal stent is fully deployed by turning and pulling the second stent release knob. The stent anchors are now engaged and the graft fixed in place. The fill polymer kit stopcocks are opened and the polymer is mixed using a minimum of 20 full syringe strokes. The green cap is removed from the polymer injection port on the delivery system handle, and the polymer-filled syringe is connected. The aortic body guide wire is retracted to the RO marker distal to the aortic body. The auto-injector is pushed over the syringe plunger and locked into place by rotating 90 degrees. The fill polymer begins filling the graft. The polymer is radiopaque, allowing the filling of the graft to be observed under fluoroscopy. The graft fills in approximately 45 seconds. As the polymer cures, the contralateral leg of the aortic body is cannulated with a guide wire. A connection between the aortic body legs and the delivery system eases cannulation. A second option to attain contralateral gate access is through the Ovation IX crossover lumen, integrated into the aortic body delivery system. An 018 guide wire is inserted through the port on the handle. The wire traverses a built-in PTFE lumen up the ipsilateral leg and across into the contralateral leg. The wire exits the crossover lumen at the second ring on the contralateral leg. With a snare catheter, the wire is externalized through the contralateral sheath. A sheath is inserted over the contralateral crossover guide wire. A buddy guide wire is inserted into the aortic body leg and advanced proximally. The wire within the crossover lumen is retracted through the ipsilateral side. The sheath is removed on the contralateral side and a marker catheter is used to measure the required length of the contralateral limb. An iliac limb delivery system is then advanced over the guide wire and into the aortic body leg. Appropriate overlap of the iliac limb and aortic body leg is achieved by aligning the iliac limb graft proximal markers between the third ring and the fourth half ring of the aortic body leg. The iliac limb is deployed by retracting the outer sheath while holding the handle stationary. Maintaining the position of the sheath, the handle is retracted until the nose cone is reseated into its outer sheath. The Ovation IX delivery systems are equipped with an integrated leave-behind sheath and hemostatic valve. If utilized, the entire system is repositioned to the desired location. Keeping the guide wire in position, the handle is retracted to remove the inner catheter from the outer sheath. The delivery system can also be removed completely. A minimum of 14 minutes after fill polymer mixing, the aortic body can be released from its delivery system. The aortic body guide wire is re-advanced through the aortic body. The final release knob is turned and pulled away from the handle, releasing the connection between the aortic body and its delivery system. The auto-injector is removed. The inner catheter is retracted until the fill lumen disengages from the stent graft. A nose cone is reseated into its outer sheath. If the integrated sheath will be used, the aortic body inner catheter delivery system is withdrawn while keeping the guide wire in position. A marker catheter is advanced through the aortic body integrated sheath to measure the required length of the ipsilateral limb. The marker catheter is then removed. The aortic body sheath is also removed. The ipsilateral iliac limb delivery system is advanced and deployed in the same manner as the contralateral iliac limb. While keeping the guide wire in position, the inner catheter of the ipsilateral limb delivery system is withdrawn. An angiocatheter is advanced through the integrated sheath into the suprarenal aorta, and a completion angiogram is performed to confirm aneurysm exclusion and graft patency.